In this step, I'm gonna work on the catch the shadow at the front, the ocean in the background, and the beach area. Into this catch the shadow area. So, the Prussian blue first. And with the red. Looking for the edge. Where is the edge? Here you go. That's good. This is the important step to continue developing the structure, and at the same time we balance all the dark and light values. Let's see. Like this. Okay, on this side, a little bit curve. Coming over here, good. Looking for that. Like this. Now here we go. Now what I want to do, we're going to use a lot more water and have little blue colors, and coming out looks a little bit more colder because a little bit away from the baby, away from the skin. Okay. Look at that. Like this. Have a little bit coming down of that. And on this side too. It need to be cut a little bit off here. A little turn, like that. Good. Now here we go. We're gonna keep the wash going on. Got a little bit more water. There you go. Okay, and inside over here, it look a little bit too dry now. So what I want to do, I'm gonna mix with this dark purple color again, and I'm going to have that connected. So they're in a similar wetness and they can dry together. There looks like too much contrast between that now, but this is good. We're gonna come back to do that later. Now the cast shadow looks good. Now I want to spend some time into the water area. Let's see. The Prussian blue looks good with this a little bit red. That's a nice color. Let's take a look. Start from here. Going through horizontally, close to the head. Okay, it's good. We want to shape that a little bit better. Okay, that's good. Now coming to this side. This side I'm gonna coming from the right side starwards. And it's going through that. Now I'm gonna let go some of my the wet in my brush. I'm gonna continue because it requires some dry brush. There you go. Let's see, if that connect to the left side, it looks like this can be a little higher. Now that's good for the water. Now what to do, I'm gonna suggest it, the wave. Okay, it looks a little bit more yellow colors. So now you can see that how I compare the color, compare one color to the next color by analyze it. It's a little bit more yellow, a little bit more red, a little bit more blue. Okay. Like this. And a little bit over here. That's good. Now I suggested the wave. And I need a little bit blue colors, maybe right here. Now at the same time, I suggest the light area of the shirt. Okay, now I'm gonna work on to the beach again. I'm gonna show the edge, where the edge is. So I'm gonna mix that a little bit warmer. Get a little bit yellow, a little bit red, and get a little bit blue to see that how much a little bit too much too warm. So I'm gonna get this colors. Get a little bit yellow in here. That's about that colors. Let's see. So we're gonna put the showing where the beach, the edge. And over here too. Let's see, start over here. Okay, now connect the edge. I think this color will be too warm. I'm gonna get a little bit more blue color into it. So get a little blue color in here. That's good. It's totally too dark, so I'm gonna just use the water to dilute the color, and now make it a little lighter. That's good. And on this side, maybe closer here, I want a little bit darker, so it show the white on the arm. But here it can be a little bit lighter, come out over here. So I'm gonna soften that. Here you go. Make it a little lighter now. Now to catch the shadow, the ocean in the background and the beach looks pretty good. In our next step, I'm going to use darker color to deepen the value contrast.